The Green Business Partners Program is a recognition program to identify and celebrate businesses who want to or are already taking climate action. Inova Health System emulates the characteristics of a leader. They really demonstrate their commitment to sustainability, not only through their policies and programs, but by their actions.
Inova is proud to be our community's trusted health partner. Not only do we provide care for more than 2 million patients a year, but we're also the region's largest private employer with 5 hospitals and more than 200 care sites conveniently located throughout our community. We also recognize the importance of balancing that important work with the reality that healthcare inherently produces more waste than other businesses due to sterile material standards, through the energy we use, and the transport of our team members and patients to our facilities. Environmental stewardship is a shared priority for all of us to ensure we maintain a healthy and thriving community, and we're proud to be a green business partner with Fairfax County. One of the first things I did when I arrived at Inova almost 6 years ago was to reduce our reliance on single-use plastics, including switching to paper straws. We were just the second health system in the nation to do so. We've since worked with our food service partners to eliminate styrofoam in favor of eco-friendly disposable containers. And just recently, we launched an effort to eliminate the purchase of single-use water bottles. We're now installing additional water dispensers in our facilities and encouraging reusable bottles. As the region's leading nonprofit health provider, it's our responsibility to not only manage these operations responsibly, but also to look for cleaner, greener alternatives where possible.
Inova's been implementing sustainability for more than 10 years now, and we take a comprehensive approach to reducing our environmental impacts. Some accomplishments over that time frame include recycling more than 3 million pounds of material annually at all of our 5 hospitals. We've also reduced our energy use intensity by 20% going back to 2012. We've increased the amount of sustainable food we purchase at our cafeterias to more than 20% of our total food spend. We provide team members with alternative transportation options, such as commuter and metro shuttles, preferred parking for carpoolers, electric vehicle charging stations, and pre-tax dollars for public transportation. And in regards to our buildings, we've achieved LEED certification at 6 building projects, with more coming as we build and grow into the future. So in 2023, we launched a comprehensive food composting initiative at all of our hospitals. And in the first month alone, we diverted more than 19,000 pounds of waste from the waste stream. And so this not only has, an environmental benefit, but it also provides, important new product that can be used by the community. So all of these accomplishments not only reduce our environmental impacts, but they also provide important health benefits to our team members in the communities that we serve. Team member engagement is one of our probably favorite activities that we have in sustainability, right? So we work with them on a number of initiatives. Could be something that they come up with on their own. Like for instance, we had a team member that had an idea to have beehives and bees at our headquarters location. And so we talked to some bee experts, and before we knew it, we had a bee colony on the campus. Now, obviously during some months of the year, they're kind of dormant and you don't see them that much, but come the warmer weather, you'll see an active, thriving colony of bees on the headquarters campus. Every spring and fall, we hold events at each of our hospitals, typically during the lunch hour, and we offer anywhere from, say, 3 to 6 different variety of tree saplings for team members to come out. They can choose which sapling they'd like, and then they, of course, go home and they plant that tree at their house, and they have a great benefit for the community because they support enhancing the tree canopy in the region. Moving forward, all of our new developments will be not only have significant reductions in our carbon emissions, but we're also going to be expanding the number of green and sustainable attributes at these buildings, not only achieving LEED Silver, but sometimes even exceeding LEED Silver.
This may be the Green Business Partner Program, but really every one of us who calls Fairfax County home is a partner in this endeavor, so we can be proud of leaving a cleaner, healthier community for the next generation.